Welcome back to Motor Verdict Meter. If you thought BMW had already reached the peak with their M division, think again. The 2026 BMW M5 has arrived, and let me tell you, this is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. BMW has taken everything we loved about the M5 and fused it with cutting-edge hybrid technology, creating a machine that balances raw power, efficiency, and pure luxury. This isn't simply another fast sedan. This is BMW rewriting the rulebook. So buckle in as we take a full 360 look: back, sides, front, interior, engine, price, and of course, our final verdict on whether the new M5 deserves a spot in your dream garage. From the rear, the M5 immediately shows off its muscle. The sculpted tail with 3D LED taillights glows sharp and futuristic, looking almost like laser blades at night. Quad exhaust tips sit wide apart, pumping out a low growl that reminds you this is still a true M car. The rear diffuser is no cosmetic gimmick. It's tuned for real aerodynamics, while the subtle decklid spoiler creates just enough downforce to keep things planted at Autobahn speeds. Compare this to the outgoing M5, and the 2026 version just feels sharper, tighter, and more athletic. It's like seeing an executive in a tailored suit, but wearing racing shoes underneath. Swinging around to the left side, the proportions tell you this car means business. Wide flared arches hug massive forged wheels, 20 inches up front, 21s at the rear, wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires that are basically road-legal track rubber. The body lines carve deep, almost like the car is flexing its muscles even when parked. A lower stance gives it that ground-hugging look, and the new charging port discreetly integrated into the design is the only real clue you're looking at a hybrid. For comparison, while other sedans might hide their electrification, BMW leans into it with confidence, making the M5 look futuristic yet familiar. Move to the right side, and the sleek silhouette really comes alive. BMW's signature Hofmeister kink is still there, but updated with sharper angles. Flush door handles add to the aerodynamic flow, and side skirts give it an aggressive edge. The side mirrors are sculpted not just for looks but for airflow, reducing drag at high speeds. The paint options are something else. Exclusive M colors like frozen deep green metallic and Marina Bay blue pop like jewels, especially with matte finishes. In person, these shades transform the M5 into something almost concept car worthy. Open the doors and welcome to a cabin that blends race-bred function with executive-level comfort. The interior greets you with a seamless curved display, merging a 12.3-inch digital cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Running BMW's latest iDrive 9, the interface feels fast, modern, and far less complicated than older generations. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, but it's the new Quick Select menu that keeps things simple on the go. Sit down in the M multifunction seats and you'll know BMW isn't messing around. They're heated, ventilated, and even massage capable. The bolsters grip you perfectly when cornering, yet they're soft enough for long road trips. Upholstered in top-quality merino leather with options for carbon fiber or fine wood trims, this interior can be as sporty or as classy as you want. Ambient lighting pulses along the doors and dashboard, and if you spec it right, an illuminated M badge glows in the trim, little details that scream premium. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, heated seats, their own climate zone, and optional tablets for entertainment. The only compromise is slightly reduced trunk space because of the hybrid battery, but you'll still easily fit your golf clubs or weekend luggage. Now let's get to the heart of the beast, the powertrain. BMW didn't just tweak the old engine, they re-engineered the entire formula. Under the hood sits a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, together producing a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Yes, this is the most powerful M5 ever. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 155 mph or 190 mph with the optional M driver's package. And here's the kicker. You can drive up to 40 miles on electric-only mode. That means for your daily commute, you could avoid burning a single drop of fuel, then unleash the full fury of over 700 horses on the weekend. It's like having two cars in one, silent EV efficiency and brutal M performance at the flick of a drive mode switch. The 8-speed M Steptronic transmission snaps through gears, while BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system can even shift to rear-wheel drive for old-school tail-out fun. Adaptive suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering keep the 5,300-pound sedan feeling agile in the twisties, proving BMW hasn't sacrificed handling for hybrid weight. So how much will this technological masterpiece set you back? The 2026 BMW M5 starts at around $120,000 in the US. That's the entry point. Spec it with the must-have M carbon package, executive luxury upgrades, or the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond audio system, and you're easily looking at $135,000 to $140,000 fully loaded. Expensive? Absolutely. But when you consider you're getting supercar levels of power, hybrid efficiency, cutting-edge tech, and daily comfort all wrapped in one package, it starts to feel like a bargain in the world of performance sedans. And here's the final verdict. The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just another evolution, it's a reinvention. BMW dared to hybridize its iconic super sedan, and instead of watering it down, they made it sharper, stronger, and smarter. It's aggressive without being flashy, luxurious without being soft, and brutally fast without being irresponsible. This is the kind of car that can take you to the office in silence on Monday, then destroy lap times on Saturday. For those who feared hybridization might kill the spirit of the M5, this car proves the opposite. It's a glimpse into the future of high-performance driving. What do you think? Is the hybrid M5 the perfect balance of efficiency and performance, or do you miss the pure V8 thunder of the past? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW M5, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Motor Verdict Meter, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.